You guys, welcome back. There's a mixture of rain and snow today. So cold that I need something comforting to remind me of the warm days ahead. Today I'll be making a Vietnamese appetizer called Chạo tôm, a bouncy, flavorful shrimp mixture wrapped around a sugarcane served with fresh herbs and a sweet fish sauce. Let's get started. Let's prepare some sticks for the shrimp mixture to wrap around. This is the most common brand here in the States, which works just fine for this recipe. Although sometimes you can find fresh ones being sold at a farmer's market or in a grocery store. Have you tried sugarcane before? Sugarcane is a type of tropical grass that is native to Asia and has been harvested for thousands of years. Its fibrous stalks are full of smooth, sweet juices. To eat it, the tough outer skin is removed. The sugarcane is then cut into sticks and chewed on to release its juices. The fibers are discarded because they're too tough to eat. Also, the entire stalks can be pressed through a machine to squeeze out the juices for a refreshing sugarcane juice drink. I'm also going to try using lemongrass as the stick. This is optional, but I think this one will be so aromatic. First, I'll remove the lowest part very close to the root here. Don't throw this away because you can regrow it. I'll be making a video on lemongrass propagation, so stay tuned for that. And cutting it into similar sizes as the sugarcane sticks that were just cut. A few slits into the lemongrass where the shrimp mixture will be wrapped around. That way the lemongrass will be able to properly infuse its flavors and aroma. A few quick rinses. The best dipping sauce to eat with this sugarcane shrimp is the sweet fish sauce dip that I made in my glass noodle salad video. It's very easy to make. It requires some sugar, hot water, fish sauce, vinegar, lime juice, minced garlic, chilies, and lime. This recipe makes a big jar, but it can be stored in the fridge for many weeks and months and ready to use as you wish. Let's prepare the shrimp mixture. It's very easy to make. Shrimp, washed and patted dry. We'll need the stalks of the lower portion of scallions and a small shallot. It's going to add a nice flavor and aroma to the mixture. In goes the cornstarch, just a bit, which will act as a binding agent. Sugar for balancing the saltiness, fish sauce for seasoning, and some black pepper. That's it. There's really not much to it. Let's blend this up well. Eventually, this mixture will become bouncy. See how bouncy it is? You want to drop it a few times, letting it smack into the bowl a bit. This will create an even bouncier texture. This paste is very sticky, so oil will help so much here. Oil your plate and your hands, in this case the disposable gloves. It will make wrapping the shrimp mixture around the sugarcane and lemongrass so much easier. Mold the mixture firmly around the sticks and smooth out the surface for a nicer presentation. Oiling your hands make a huge difference and makes the job much quicker, just like this. I'm using just a few tablespoons and it spreads out very nicely. This would be a fun thing to make for a party, a picnic, and for a potluck. It's a great appetizer. You'll need enough oil to deep fry the sugarcane shrimp. On medium-high heat, we want to fry them until they develop a golden color just like this. They take about 10 minutes or so. The sugarcane and lemongrass are infusing their flavors and aroma into the shrimp mixture. It smells incredible. This dish reminds me of the street food in Asia. It's gonna taste great. Here we have it. Sugarcane shrimp. Shrimp wrapped around sugarcane and also lemongrass. This is served with fresh vegetables and herbs and this sweet fish sauce. I have lettuce, cilantro, fish mint, Vietnamese coriander, Thai basil, and mint that pair perfectly with this. It can be eaten directly off the sugarcane, and then you can chew on the sugarcane for its juices. The shrimp mixture is aromatic and has an addicting, bouncy texture. You can also tear up the shrimp mixture into pieces. Grab some herbs. Dip it into the sauce together and eat it like this for a flavorful bite. It's so good and I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone.